I have the Samsung Galaxy Fit 3 and I'll be showing you how to change the wrist orientation of this Galaxy Fit 3. So if you normally wear it on your left hand side and you now want it to wear on your right, then you need to go to settings. So from the watch face, swipe up and then look for settings. Under settings, go to general, tap on that, and then you should see orientation, tap on that, and then you have the wrist section. You can choose between the right and the left wrist. Okay, so that's basically how to change that. Now also, while you're at it, you can also change the button position. So as you can see, my default setting was left wrist and button on the right. So that means I can wear my Galaxy Fit 3 like this on my left hand and the button is on the right hand side. Now if I want to, I can change it to the right hand side. So just come here and choose right wrist, and if I want to, I can also have the button, instead of being on the right, put it on the left. Okay, and to do that, I'll just choose left, and that's going to turn the interface upside down so that I can now turn my watch and wear it like this on the right hand side with the button on the left. Okay, so that's basically how you can change the wrist and button position, basically the wrist orientation and button position on your Samsung Galaxy Fit 3. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.